Dreams aren't meant to be easy. They're meant to test you, to break you down, and to force you to grow. Yet so many people settle for less, not because they lack potential, but because they fear what it will take to realize it. The life you want is on the other side of the risks you're too afraid to take. The question is, will you stay where you are, or will you take the first step? Step into a career where passion meets precision. This is your invitation to step into the world of Sunspel. Welcome to No Brainer Biz, the place where you come to learn about luxury careers. Stick around until the end to learn about a career with Sunspel. London isn't just a city, it's a global stage for luxury. And at the heart of it all is Sunspel. Since 1860, this iconic brand has redefined simplicity with unparalleled quality, creating essentials that blend timeless design with modern innovation. From crafting the world's first luxury t-shirt to introducing a bespoke service that tailors fit, fabric, and style, Sunspel embodies the art of personalization. Behind this legacy is a team of sales associates who bring these stories to life every single day. Imagine this. A client steps into the boutique, skeptical that something as simple as a t-shirt can be life-changing. But by the end of their visit, they're leaving with a bespoke piece crafted exclusively for them, an item that's not just clothing but a reflection of who they are. And then, the unexpected happens. A high-profile client arrives unannounced, demanding a custom order on a tight deadline. This is where a Sunspel Sales Associate shines. They step up, solving the challenge with grace and expertise, delivering not just a product but an unforgettable experience. Every day starts with intention. As the boutique doors open, the sales associate prepares for a new chapter in the Sunspel story. Their mornings are spent ensuring the boutique reflects Sunspel's ethos, minimalist, elegant, and inviting. By midday, they're curating experiences, guiding clients through collections, and helping them create bespoke t-shirts, personalized down to the last detail. But evenings are where the magic happens, hosting private fittings, collaborating with the team, or preparing for events like London Fashion Week, where Sunspel unveils its latest designs to the world's fashion elite. What makes Sunspel truly extraordinary isn't just its designs, it's its principles. Every bespoke t-shirt is made with ethically sourced fabrics, combining heritage with sustainability. Clients don't just wear luxury, they wear a story of responsibility and craftsmanship. So how do you stand out in a world as refined as Sunspel's? Imagine stepping into the interview room. You've done your research, but more importantly, you've prepared yourself to embody the brand. You start by sharing your understanding of Sunspel's legacy, not just the products, but the ethos that made them pioneers in luxury essentials. You show that you're not just interested in selling, you're passionate about creating experiences that reflect the client's individuality. When the conversation shifts to bespoke services, you confidently explain how you would guide a client through the process, helping them select the perfect fabric, fit, and design. And as the interview ends, you leave an impression of elegance, intention, and authenticity. You don't just fit the role, you elevate it. This isn't just about selling clothes, it's about connecting with people. A Sunspel sales associate doesn't just tell a story, they create one. Every conversation becomes a memory, every recommendation a reflection of the client's identity. To deepen your knowledge, read Deluxe, How Luxury Lost Its Luster by Dana Thomas. It's a must-read for understanding the evolution of luxury and the art of creating lasting value. At Sunspel, every role is a story, and every day is an opportunity to write a new chapter. This isn't just a job, it's a lifestyle of excellence, elegance, and purpose. Until next time, stay inspired and dream big. Discover more in the description about becoming a Sunspel Sales Associate. For more videos like this, check out this next video.